Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope आप सभी बहुत अच्छे होंगे. I'm gonna be sharing some glow up tips for my cute teens this Valentine's Day. So let's get started. Hand care is one of the most overlooked things. I mean, our hands are so expressive. And if our nails are not done properly, I find it very embarrassing. So make sure you take out your perfect shade and paint those nails. And of course, don't forget to moisturize your hands. In fact, your whole body. Winters generally leaves our skin dull and dry, and a good body butter harms nobody. On to the hair care. Now, after a good hair wash, try to avoid a blow dryer and let your hair air dry. Follow up with combing your hair. Combing takes time. And I do get bored while doing my hair, but your hairstyle and hair care makes a whole lot of difference. And that brings me to my third to do. I am doing a hairstyle today. Something cute and simple. Take a straightening iron and straighten those beautiful hair. I generally don't use a hair appliance, but if you use it occasionally, it does make a whole lot of difference. For example, I'm gonna style my bangs by simply straightening and curling them at the end. This is a cute hack if you don't want to do your entire hair. Just focus on the hair in the front and you're good to go. Skincare. To no surprise, I had to put skincare here. Okay, I have been facing so many pimples lately. Am I gonna worry about it? Hell no! We're just gonna listen to our skin. For this, I'm gonna use a calming cleanser and get the dirt and grime out of my face. Make sure to create that foam on your hands instead of your face. Always start your makeup and grooming with a clean face. Okay, let's wash it off. On to grooming. Now everybody likes to touch a smooth face. And facial hair, oh my god, a strict no-no. I mean, removing your hair, like I always say, is your personal preference. But since this is a grooming video, we're gonna get rid of the nasty hair. I'm gonna take this aloe vera gel and lather it all over my face. This will help our facial razor to glide on easily without leaving us with any cuts or marks. Now that my skin is all prepped, I am going to use this facial razor. You can create different sections of your face and remove the hair section by section. Don't forget your upper lips. Yes, you can do your upper lips with a facial razor. Isn't it super cool? Okay, I'm going to wash it off and follow up with my regular skincare. For my lip care, I'm gonna scrub my lips and get the dead skin out. Getting the dead skin out of your lips will not only help in a smoother application of lipstick, but will also make your lips plump. Please be very gentle and not too heavy-handed with your lip scrub. You wanna be very gentle, or else it's gonna leave you with a cracked, painful lip. And I'm sure nobody wants that. Now take a cotton pad, spray some water on it, and remove the lip scrub. After scrubbing your lips, make sure to use a very nourishing lip balm. This will help in healing and calming the area, leaving your lips smooth and well prepped for a lipstick application. The fact that we're grooming ourselves, blackheads are a huge problem for me. In fact, for anybody who has oily skin, you can either use blackhead strips or use a blackhead dissolving solution, whichever one you prefer, but just get rid of the blackheads or whiteheads for that matter. Post this, I'm gonna follow up with my moisturizing cream and make sure that my skin is well prepped for my makeup application. And we're done. Do you know that you can do your eyebrows at home? You don't need to perfectly define your eyebrows. Just get rid of the long hair that pops out and you're good to go. For this, you can use your spoolie brush, brush your hair up and carefully trim it with the help of a scissor. And there you go, perfect eyebrows right there. On to a little bit of makeup. I'm gonna start with defining my features. So first comes the eyebrows. I am not a huge fan of heavy makeup and no one is, to be honest. So I'm just gonna go for a clean look, focusing on the features and a healthy glow. For my eyebrows, I'm gonna focus on the arch of the brow and fill in the areas with lesser hair. Always remember, the closer you come to the beginning of the eyebrows, the more made up they look. So if you want your brows to look more natural, just fill in the bald areas and you'll be good to go. Now if you want, you can set your brows with a brow gel. This will not only set your brows but will also make them look bushy. On to my base makeup. Now that I have teeny tiny pimples on my face, I'm gonna avoid my base. If you want a little base makeup, I would suggest you to go for a BB cream. BB cream will provide a sheer coverage. But for now, this highlighted moisturizer will definitely give me the glow I want. I mean, who knew that a moisturizer could be a highlighter too? So I'm just gonna focus on the high points of my face. Also, don't forget your under eye area. Okay, if you're applying a concealer on the under eye area or doing your eye makeup, make sure to apply an eye cream. This not only will take care of the puffiness but will also result in a smoother application of concealer. This I would definitely say is a great hack for puffy eyes. After a good 10 minutes, I'm gonna start off with my eye makeup. For my eye makeup, I'm gonna do this organic eye kohl. Makeup doesn't always have to be damaging for the skin. It's all about making the better choices. Make sure to apply a good layer to the waterline. For my makeup, like I said, I'm gonna keep my makeup pretty simple. Simple kajal eyes look very flattering on everyone. So I'm just gonna use a smudge-free kohl pencil for the same. After applying your kajal, you can also curl your lashes. This is a cute hack for making your eyes look a lot bigger than they actually are. To make your lashes look a lot fuller and thicker, you can go in with a volumizing mascara. Isn't it so pretty? I'm gonna choose the most rosy nude color for my lips for the perfect pouty lip. Another cute hack, if you don't have a lip liner, you can use the lip applicator to outline the lips and then fill in the lipstick. Absolutely love the rosy nude shade, but I'm gonna add my touch to this. I'm gonna take this cute red shade from the same range and apply it to the center of my lip. This will give my lips an ombre effect and those perfectly bitten lips. And I'll keep adding the lipstick until I like it. You can also use these lip and cheek tints and add some color to your cheeks. This will give you a rosy and healthier looking skin. Don't forget your inner eyes. This, for me, is one of the most important steps in the makeup game. Use your highlighter to highlight the inner corners of your eyes. This will brighten up your eyes and your eyes are gonna look super starry. Last step is the dress up. It is super chilly in Delhi. As much as I would like to style myself, I'm gonna style myself in such a manner that I don't feel the cold too. You must look stylish, but at the same time, look out for that chilly breeze too. Don't hesitate in accessorizing. Accessories definitely add to a beautiful look. So I'm just gonna complete my look with this bracelet and some cute rings. Woohoo! Do you know what completes the look? A perfect smile and a perfect fragrance. A perfect fragrance will definitely have some heads turning. And there you go guys, this is my Valentine. I hope that you guys have a great Valentine too. And I hope these simple tips helped you too. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.